Welcome to Marine Learn, practical knowledge and training for maritime professionals. Hit the bell button, subscribe, and like the video so we keep bringing valuable content to you. Welcome back. Today we answer a very practical question. Why can't we supply liquid gas directly from the fuel supply skid to the main engine? Why do we need the fuel valve train, or FVT, in between? The answer is safety. As you can see here, the fuel valve train is a sophisticated skid-mounted system designed for precision control. The fuel valve train acts as the primary safety barrier between the liquid gas fuel supply system and the engine. Its main purpose is to safely isolate the engine during shutdowns, abnormal conditions, or when operating only on fuel oil. The FVT consists of two major sections. The supply valve train controls fuel entering the engine, while the return valve train safely recirculates unused fuel back to the system. Without the FVT, safe dual-fuel engine operation would not be possible. To prevent gas from leaking into the machinery space during shutdown, we rely on the double block and bleed arrangement. During the gas isolation sequence, two block valves close in series to stop high-pressure liquid fuel flow. At the same time, a bleed valve positioned between them opens automatically. This safely directs trapped gas toward the vent mast. The supply valve train also includes a bypass orifice. This allows the engine piping to fill slowly during gas admission, preventing sudden pressure fluctuations inside the system. Before any maintenance work is carried out on the fuel valve train, the system must be made completely gas-safe. The engine control system first uses nitrogen to push liquid LPG back toward the catch tank. However, stopping the system alone is never enough. A manual nitrogen purge connection must then be used to clear the remaining gas from the isolated section. Finally, a portable gas detector is connected at the sampling point on the return line. Maintenance work is only permitted when the measured atmosphere is below 20% of the lower explosive limit, or LEL. Always verify, never assume. The fuel valve train is far more than a piping arrangement. It is one of the most important safety barriers in the ME-LGIP fuel system. Understanding its operation is essential for every marine engineer working with dual-fuel engines.